1983 GMC Vandura. This is the A-Team van. This is 1983. Here it is. Back when you're watching on TV. Yeah, this is Greenlight. This is their 1/24 scale car. That's their rendition of it. And we'll go over some of the detail in a minute. Soak it in. Notice the van is pretty good. Pretty good for a GMC. Best part about this van is the front end. And when we can get around that push bar, be able to see the, we can maybe get into that GMC grill that John Moore's known for. We got the stack headlights. It's got the window visor. Yeah. Two-tone van. It's got the roof lights. Yeah, it's really good. Black wipers. It's got those custom mirrors that they had. Get a little bit closer here. There we go. California tags. It's got the amber lowers that he had, and it's got the it's got the running lights there too. BF Goodrich TAs that they used. Yeah. Doors open on there, just the front doors. No sliding door or anything. Once again, it's 1/24. Paint is really nice. You can see the gloss on that. Runs down pretty clean. A little orange peel, but normal for diecast. Whole truck's diecast except the chassis and the roof. You can see the panel there. Yep. Rear spoiler. Got the tinted windows in the back. They did the lights really well. Greenlight's really good with their lights. They really are. Painted bumper. It's got the fender flares. Those are metal. Running board's plastic as part of the chassis. It's got the zoomies. Thing about the tires, you look at them. Take a look. You notice they're kind of big in the front. They weren't necessarily staggered, but they did have a wider tread in the back, so it was a little bit wider. And if you want to go in there, you could black out some of that detail inside the rim as well. But yeah, I mean, it's got a great paint separation line. They picked out the doors, really crisp moldings. Again, they got the correct body stamping on the van body, just like GM had them. Open up the door. It's got that light gray interior that we know that the boys used to sit in there and do their get on the jazz, as old BA would say. And this actually is Lego that came out. It's almost the same size. Now, this is supposed to be 1/24, right? We all know, Vandura, it's a big vehicle. Take a look at the side here. Again, no serial number. Kind of cool. Almost at 5,000. Got your zoomies, they're molded. Yep. Metal axle. But, yep, limited edition. 1/24 Hollywood. Nice package. I got a friend back here. There we go. What we got? Well, look at that. That is Brookfield's van. This is an exact, I think it's either 1/24 or 1/25. So we'll back that girl up a little bit. And we'll take a look at this one. So, a little bit of a size difference. Yep. Maybe a bit of that there. How about that? Yeah. So, without getting out your ruler and all that, probably looking at 1/27, something like a welly. And it's probably, you might have to guess packaging constraint or anything like that, but it's still a really cool van. And, I'm going to look forward to the 18th that's coming. Gotta have that. But look at this. Really good looking. Highly recommended. Questions, comments, leave them below.